Everyone, welcome back. Oh, wow. Yeah, hi everyone, welcome back to CPMAI Exam 3. We are doing batch 5 from 41 to 50. So let's go ahead for the next question. Remember, CPMAI. I think this one's easy, straightforward. Please go through the explanation if need be by pausing. Let's see. Just going through other options, what they mean. Vanishing gradient promise training issue in deep networks, not an inference behavior. Oh, next one. Business case document. Simple as it gets. Again, as simple as it gets. Imbalance. This is correct because the F1 score combines precision and recall, making it useful for evaluating model performance in case of class imbalance. Counts for both false positive and false negatives, which are critical when the minority class is important. Okay, I want to know what is AOC ROC. This is English. While AOC can show how well a model separate classes, it doesn't specify highlight how the model performs on the minority basis. F1 score gives more targeted insight into imbalance by balancing precision and recall. Imbalance data set. Let me. I'm going to make a note of it for further learning. I know that this can be the answer, but let's think. Okay, I'm making some notes for myself for and also thinking if this could be the right answer. I'm not too sure, but let's go. Wow, correct answer. I was confused. This is in as a plotting library. So create static, animated, and interact visualization Python. It does not provide tools to build. Opus is library that provides tools for building, training, and deploying networks. There's one more along with this. It also is deep learning and prioritization. Not support neural networks. Okay. Visualization libraries. Remember, in case you ever get questions on visualization, this becomes your answer. Oh, let's go ahead. Large ideas. Generative AI. As easy as it gets. Human superintendent with model inference. Okay, the last 10 sets, if you recollect, I had got 4 wrong. This set I have got all right so far. So if I kinda get the 2 right, then I'm going to balance it out and I'm going to cover some losses. Let's see how it goes. Hmm. Um, I'm confused about TensorBoard. I know that Jupyter Network notebook is used. It says deep learning model. So to do it's correct. Let me see why is it. Interact coding environment useful for experimental coding, but it does not specialize in graphically displaying deep learning. So that is where TensorBoard comes into picture. This is correct. TensorBoard is visual toolkit for TensorFlow. It provides graphical views of model architecture, layer by layer operations, metrics, and training behavior, making it ideal for inspecting deep learning model structures. Okay. TensorBoard provides visualization for neural networks. Tool. Okay, tool was the word. Alright, this last one, let's see how it goes. Do I make 100% in this 10 or to cover a few? Which metric helps you understand if model performs well across different classes? So first of all, let's make sure that I think F1 score, right? Imbalanced classes and all we did some time back. Yeah, this is correct because the F1 combines precision and recall into a single metric. It is particularly used in multi-class or imbalanced classification problems to evaluate how well. What is this? The training parameter indicates how many times the model has seen the full data set. It does not determine model performance across training parameter. So I read these because it helps me, and you don't know which one will come when, right? Okay, so see, I recovered. So if you see, that's important learning. You may get some back-to-back wrong ones, but you have to keep calm and move forward. Now I'm covered. Literally, I've more than covered for the losses in the last batch. So I'm doing good here. Let's see how things go moving forward. So now I know that I should be more than 70% for sure. Okay, see you in the next batch. Thank you, everyone. Take care. Bye bye.